Hello, nice to meet you again. I'm from Great Excellent English. I'm Mr. B. I want to talk today, or the material today is do and does, because sometimes there are many audience or friends or students are difficult to use do and does in the sentence. Now we will talk about that. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, from positive first. There are three kind of scenario: positive, negative, and question. We will go from the positive using I study. If I, the subject I, the verb will study without S, not studies, but study. You speak, not you speaks. Yeah? They swim, and we trains. Okay, so if the subject I, you, they, we, the verb, you can put the verb without S. Okay, in negative, how to make it to negative here? I just give you subject here, I, you, they, we also, but in negative, because the verb without S, there is no S in verb, so in negative will be do not study. Or it can be shortened with don't. I don't study. I don't study English. I don't study math, and so on. You can put object yourself, right? And then if you speak without S also in speak. So the negative will be you do not speak. You can put object yourself. You do not speak English. You do not speak Indonesian, and so on. Okay. Number 3, they swim. There is no S also in swim in verb, so you can make do not or put do not swim. Okay, they do not swim or they don't swim. We drink. Number 4, we drink. There is no S also in drink, so you can put do not drink. Okay, we do not drink coffee, we do not drink tea, and so on. Easy, right? Okay, so if from positive I study, in negative I do not study or I don't study. You speak, you do not speak. They swim, they do not swim. We drink, we do not drink. And this is positive, negative. How about the question? Easy. In question, put do in front of the subject. Where is the subject now? I. Do I study? Okay. You can put English. Do I study English? Do I study math? And so on. Okay. But if if the subject you here, how to make the question? Do you speak English? Do you speak Indonesian? Okay, so the positive you speak, negative you don't speak. In interrogative or question, do you speak English? And they swim. Positive, in negative they do not swim. Easy in question. Just put they here after do. They, and then verb swim. Okay, do they swim? Do they swim? And number 4, we drink. We do not drink. And question, do we drink? Okay. Do we drink coffee? Do we drink juice? And so on. And this is come from positive, that verb without S, like I study without S. You speak, not you speaks. Okay. They swim, not they swims. Okay. We drink, and this is negative and question. How about now, if the subject he, she, he reads with S, different with I study, you speak, they swim, and we drink. If he, subject he, you can add S or ES after verb. He reads book, he reads magazine. Okay. How about the negative? S will change or will turn to does. Does, would not. And then that's super. In read, there is no S again in read here because it's Chinese does. Not, and it can be shortened with doesn't. Doesn't read. He doesn't read comic. Okay, he doesn't read magazine. And then number 2C. C was is. Why is es? Because the verb ending with sh. Yeah. Okay. Why is put es not s? There is a special explanation how to put es in verb in the other video, but we don't talk today about that. We just focus on how to make a sentence with do and does in here. Okay. Negative is she does not wash. She does not wash clothes. He doesn't. It can be shortened. Doesn't also. She doesn't wash clothes. Okay. And then number 3, cat. Cat sleeps. Also sleep with s, or s change with or turn into not. Sleep. Okay, so a cat does not sleep. Yeah, this is positive, negative, and question. How to make question? Like to, you put does in front of the subject. Here, subject is he, and the verb is read. Okay, without s again in it. So, does he read? Does he read comic? Does he read story? And so on. Okay, does he? Okay, and then number 2, she washes in negative. She doesn't or she does not wash in interrogative. Does she wash? Okay, does she wash clothes? Does she wash a car? And so on. Okay, and then number 3, a cat sleep. It will be a cat doesn't sleep, or does a cat sleep? Does cat sleep? And this positive, negative, and question. Yeah, use do and does. Okay, if the subject I, you, they, we, yeah, in question using do I, do you, do they, do we. But if the subject he, she, and it, yeah, cat is it because it's singular. Yeah, the question is does he, does she, does a cat, or does it. And so thank you very much for your attention. Follow this video. I hope you understand well. Yeah, I make it clear and very clear how to use, and I hope you can use or make or speak, yeah, or make question by using do and does. Yeah, thank you very much for your attention, and nice to meet you again. See you.